Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind. How is artificial intelligence changing the world of work? Is it a threat, an opportunity, or something in between? Let's break it down. For years, we've heard stories about robots taking over jobs. But the reality is far more nuanced and, honestly, much more exciting. AI isn't just about replacing human tasks. It's about augmenting them, making us more efficient, creative, and capable than ever before. Think of it less as a replacement and more as the most powerful assistant you've ever had. Let's start with industries that are already feeling the AI wave. Take healthcare. In hospitals across the UK and the US, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases like cancer earlier and with greater accuracy by analyzing medical images. It's not replacing the radiologist, it's giving them a superhuman ability to spot patterns the human eye might miss. This means better outcomes for patients and a more manageable workload for our healthcare heroes. Then there's finance. Remember spending hours sorting through receipts for your tax return? AI-powered accounting software now automates that, categorizing expenses and flagging potential deductions. In the high-stakes world of stock trading, algorithms analyze market data in milliseconds, executing trades faster than any human could. This isn't just for Wall Street or the City of London. It's making financial management tools more accessible for small businesses and individuals too. And what about creativity? You might think artistic jobs are safe, but AI is making a splash there as well. Graphic designers are using AI tools to generate countless design variations in seconds. Musicians are using AI to compose new melodies or create complex soundscapes. It's a new paintbrush, a new instrument that unlocks possibilities we're only just beginning to explore. It handles the tedious parts, freeing up human creators to focus on the big picture, the emotion, and the story. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about the jobs that are disappearing? It's true, some roles, particularly those involving repetitive data entry or simple assembly tasks, are becoming automated. This is a real challenge, and it's something societies in both the US and UK are grappling with. The key isn't to fear this change, but to prepare for it. Because for every job that AI automates, it's also creating entirely new ones. 10 years ago, did you know anyone with the job title prompt engineer? Or AI ethics officer or machine learning specialist? These roles didn't exist in the mainstream. Today, they are some of the most in-demand and highest-paying jobs on the market. Companies are desperate for people who can build, manage, and ethically guide these new AI systems. This is the great shift. We're moving from a workforce that performs tasks to one that designs and supervises the systems that perform tasks. The future isn't about competing with AI, it's about collaborating with it. So, what skills do you need to thrive in this new era? It's not just about learning to code, although that is incredibly valuable. The most critical skills are uniquely human. First, critical thinking and problem solving. AI can process data, but it needs a human to ask the right questions and interpret the results in a meaningful way. You need to be the strategic thinker who guides the AI. Second, creativity. As routine tasks get automated, the ability to think outside the box, innovate, and come up with original ideas becomes your superpower. AI can generate variations, but true, groundbreaking creativity comes from the human experience. Third, emotional intelligence and communication. Can you work effectively in a team? Can you lead, persuade, and empathize with others? These are skills that AI, at least for now, simply cannot replicate. The jobs of the future will be highly collaborative, requiring us to work with both people and machines. And finally, the most important skill of all, adaptability and a commitment to lifelong learning. The tools and technologies we use today will be different in 5 years. The most successful people will be those who are curious, embrace change, and are constantly updating their knowledge. Whether it's through online courses, professional certifications, or just staying curious, learning can no longer stop when you leave school. So, what's the big picture? The AI revolution is not a future event, it's happening right now. It presents challenges, yes, but it also presents immense opportunities for those who are prepared. It has a chance to automate the boring parts of our jobs and focus on a more creative, strategic, and fulfilling kind of work. It's an opportunity to solve some of the world's biggest problems, from climate change to disease. The future of work isn't about man versus machine. It's about man asterisk with asterisk machine. It's about augmenting our own intelligence to reach new heights. The question isn't, will an AI take my job? But rather, how can I use AI to become better at my job and create even more value? What are your thoughts on this? Are you excited or nervous about the AI-driven job market? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective and start a conversation. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on technology, the future, and how it all affects our lives. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.